Let's practice our pronunciation. Repeat after me, speaking slowly and clearly. I am going to school now. The school starts at 8 a.m. I am late for my class today. Please hurry up. We are getting late. The bell is ringing now. Let's go to the classroom. Our teacher is already there. I forgot to bring my book. Can you lend me a pen? I need to complete my homework. This is my favorite subject. I like English class very much. Math is a bit difficult for me. The teacher is explaining the lesson. Please listen carefully. I don't understand this topic. Can you explain it again? Please write this in your notebook. Open your books to page 10. Close your books now. Let's take a short break. The class is very interesting today. I enjoy learning new things. The teacher asked a question. I know the answer. May I answer the question? Please raise your hand. Don't talk during the class. Keep quiet, please. Focus on your work. I need help with this problem. Let's study together. Group work is fun. We have a test tomorrow. I need to prepare for the exam. Did you finish your homework? I forgot to do my homework. The teacher is checking our work. Please submit your assignment. The exam was very easy. I think I did well. I made some mistakes. I will try again next time. Practice makes perfect. I want to improve my English. Reading helps me learn better. Writing is also important. Speaking practice is necessary. Let's practice together. I like learning with my friends. The classroom is very clean. Please clean the board. The board is full of notes. The classroom is noisy today. Please sit down quietly. The fan is not working. Can you open the window? It is very hot today. Turn on the lights, please. Let's arrange the desks. The teacher is very kind. Our principal is very strict. The school has a big library. I like reading in the library. Please be silent in the library. I borrowed a book today. I will return it tomorrow. The playground is very big. Students are playing outside. Let's go to the playground. I like playing with my friends. We are playing football today. The game was very exciting. I scored a goal. Everyone was very happy. Let's drink some water. I am feeling tired now. Let's sit and rest. The break time is over. Let's go back to class. The next class is science. I like science experiments. The teacher showed us an experiment. It was very interesting. We learned something new today. Time passed very quickly. The final bell is ringing. School is over for today. Let's go home together. See you tomorrow at school.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning videos. See you in the next episode.